The Pack and Go function allows you to create a zip file of the main file along with all the references used in that file, linked with relative paths and maintaining the directory structure. When a user shares this packaged project with another, the recipient will be able to open the main file, including all external references, inserted images, etc., without fear of losing any references and maintaining the original folder structure. On the other hand, Pack and Go is also available to use from the Sheetset palette. Sheet sets in Aries Commander use the same DST format that AutoCAD uses. When used from here, it will also include all Sheetset references in a zip file that is very easy to share with other users. With this, it will generate a file structure that could be more complex, depending on the number of sheets configured in the different files that are part of the sheet set. But before exporting the entire project, we are going to make a few simple changes, which will remind us how to add a sheet already configured in a file. In this example, it is a file that only contains one configured sheet. The sheet is added with its original name, but we can place it inside the Sheetset Manager tree and change its name, and even add a number to this sheet. Also, we can create subcategories. And drag the sheets according to the order that interests us. We can even relocate the different categories or subcategories. We could even determine that some of these sheets cannot be printed. Now, let's use Pack and Go. We save the zip file. Let's unzip it to see the folder structure and references. The Sheet List Table function, located in the context menu of the Sheetset Manager, provides a way to create a table within the drawing that lists all the sheets or subsets. With this function, the user can avoid filling in this table manually or having to retype the sheet name or other information that has already been provided in the sheet set. If we do it from a subcategory, the resulting table will only obtain the data of the sheets that are included. If it is done from the main header instead, a table is generated with all the sheets included. The table information can be customized to add or remove more parameters. We can even determine which sheets to include. Also, to improve the way Sheetset Manager can export drawings, support has been introduced for DWF and DWFX files, which are highly compressed formats compared to DWG, and therefore easier to use and transmit over the Internet. Of course, you can also export your sheet set to PDF format, which is easier to share with other users as they don't need to have a DWG editor to view them. It should be noted that the resulting PDF will contain all the sheets of the sheet set if it is published from the main point, or if it is done from a subcategory, publishing only the sheets it contains.